Port network. In this presentation, we are going to discuss Y parameters. Y parameters, or else it is called as admittance parameters, are used to describe the electrical behavior of two-port network. So let us see here. We got a two-port network. 1 dash is input port, 2 dash is output port. V1 and I1 are the variables with the input port, and V2, I2 are variables of output port, and this Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22 are called as Y parameters or admittance parameters. So our aim is to find these parameters using general expression in terms of current. Okay. So in the previous case, Z parameters, normally we used to open circuit the ports and we find impedance parameters. In this case, we are going to short circuit the ports and we are going to find this Y parameter. Hence, we can say that now your currents I1 and I2 are called dependent variables, and voltages are your independent variables, and the coefficients associated with the voltage are called as parameters, Y parameters. So if we write equations for the above two-port network, so if we take I1 at the input port, I1 will be equal to V1 Y11 plus V2 Y12. Similarly, I2 will be equal to V1 Y21 plus V2 Y22. So if you take in matrix form, Y matrix, that is admittance matrix, into voltage matrix will be equal to current matrix. Okay. So now we are going to find Y parameters. So first we are going to find Y11 and Y21. This one is wrongly written. It is Y21. Okay. So if we short circuit port 2 and considering port 1, then we can say V2 becomes 0. That means whenever we have a short circuit across any terminals, then we say that voltage is 0 across that terminals. So now we are short circuiting 2 dash terminals. So voltage across that one is V2. V2 becomes 0. Now we consider this for equation 1. So if we put V2 is equal to 0 in equation 1, we get I1 is equal to Y11 V1. So from this, Y11 is equal to I1 by V1 at V2 is equal to 0. So input current by input voltage is your Y11. Hence, it is called as input driving point admittance. So this numerator variable from input port, and denominator variable also from input port. Hence, this one is called as input admittance. If you are substituting V2 is equal to 0 in equation 2, then we get Y21 is equal to I2 by V1 at V2 is equal to 0. And in this case, you can see one variable is from output port and one variable is from input port. Hence, this admittance is called as Y21 is called as transfer admittance. Okay. Now, we consider port 2 and short circuit port 1 and 1 dash. That means if I short circuit 1 and 1 dash, V1 becomes 0. Voltage V1 becomes 0. And if we apply this condition for the two equations 1 and 2, we get Y12 and Y22. So if I put V1 is equal to 0, then this term becomes 0. Therefore, Y12 becomes I1 by V2 at V1 is equal to 0. So in this equation also, you could find that one variable is from input port and one variable is from output port. Hence, this Y12 is also called as transfer admittance. And if we substitute for equation 2, V1 is equal to 0 in equation 2, then we get Y22 is equal to I2 by V2. That is output current divided by output voltage. That means in this case, numerator variable from port 2 and also denominator variable also from output port. Hence, this Y22 is called as output admittance, that is output driving point admittance. So y11 is input driving point admittance, y22 is output driving point admittance, y12 is short circuit reverse transfer admittance, and y21 is short circuit forward transfer admittance. This y21, whenever output upon input is taken as forward, and input upon output is taken as reverse transfer, reverse. Okay, so in this case input by output, hence reverse transfer admittance. In this case output by input, hence it is called as forward transfer admittance. So if a two-port network said to be a symmetrical one in admittance parameter, then we say that if y11 is equal to y22, that is if your input driving point admittance is equal to output driving point admittance, then we say that network is symmetrical network. Similarly, if y12 and y21 are equal, transfer admittance are equal, then we say that network is reciprocal. Okay, so in this presentation we discussed how to find y parameters. In the next presentation we will be discussing pi network and how to find y parameters from that pi network. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.